Welcome back. Now we are able to see the score on the console, and we now want this score to appear in the game as a scoreboard. So we want to create a scoreboard so that the user or the player can see the score on the screen. So to do it, now come back to Unity here, and in the Unity what we are going to do is, here we are going to add an user interface, that is a text user interface. For this, come to this hierarchy window over here, right click, choose here UI. Under UI you have text. Okay, so under UI choose text. So see, as soon as you add text, you have one object called canvas added along with the text. So whenever you add text, you have to first add a canvas and then a text. So the canvas is automatically added. So the text you can see is not at all visible here. It's very small. So we cannot see it here at all. So to make it visible, now what we shall do is select this text and double click it. The text will open here. You can see the text box open here. So let us slightly increase the size like this. Let us make it little big. And then you have the text here as new text. So when this text object is selected in the inspector, you can see its XYZ values. So let us bring it to the center now. So for that, click here and choose reset. So if we in the transform, if we click reset, automatically all the position is set to 0. And you can see here a very small text appearing here. So, and even here, if I double click the text, you can see the text here. So let us make this text a little wider like this. Drag both the ends using this tool. Drag both the ends and make it wider. And now we can set most of the text parameters here. First, here in the text window, I will type 0. That is, the 0 is the initial score. And then in font size, let us set the font size to around 100 to increase the box size a little. Otherwise, it will not be visible. Now we can see. And this number is aligned to the left. So coming to the alignment here, press center align horizontally, center align vertically. And after setting this, now next thing is we shall give a proper color to this. So let us click here and say, for example, let us add a dark blue color here. And after adding it, now select the move tool here, and using the move tool, move it to the top. So roll the mouse down to zoom out here, and in the game area, let us move this to the top so that Z is 0, and let us keep Y also 0. X also 0. X and Z is 0, so that it is exactly at the center, and only along the Y we have moved it. So we have placed the text over here, and let us name this properly. So here double click this, okay, and or come here and give it the name as, let us name this as S capital SCORE score, one second, S capital score T capital score text. So it has been given the name as score text. So now we have successfully created the score text object in the screen. Now the next thing is we have to make our score appear over here, and this we are going to do it using the script. Now let us come to this scripts folder here, and in the script folder now we are going to work with this game manager script. So select this game manager script and double click to open it. When we double click it, this will open in Visual Studio. Now in this script, so we are now going to create a variable, and to create this variable, now come here, we already had created int score is equal to 0. This variable was already created, and for the text object we are going to create another variable. Press enter here and type text. T is capital. Okay, so type here text, and after text press space. So it is taking as text alignment. Okay, leave text space, then give it a name. So let us name it as score text, where S is small here. Okay, so I am typing score text, giving it the name, and end it with colon. But here you are seeing that this text is showing you an error. So it is saying the type of namespace text could not be found. This is because whenever we use an user interface item in Unity, we have to call that class over here. We already have 3 classes called here: system collection generic, and Unity engine. So here we have to call one more class here. Press enter here and now type using, okay, space U capital Unity, E capital engine, period, and now type UI. You have it here, UI. So select this and then close it with colon. So now you can see the error has disappeared. So now text, score text is a variable which we have now declared. So now let us come to this method here that we have called public calculate score. So coming over here, we had given here the command print score. So below this print score, we are going to add one more line here. And now here what we are going to do is, whatever variable we have declared here. So you can see here we had declared a text variable score text. So select this score text, copy it, and here below this print score, paste it. This score text, okay, add a period and type text. So small letter text. Okay, so you can automatically select this. So the score letter text, the text value of this score text will be equal to, now we have the score, variable score will be equal to score. But here one thing is, score we have declared it as an integer, but score text is actually a text, that is a string. So for that reason we are going to use this score and then type period and type to string, add this one line to string, open close bracket and end it with colon. So we have added this one line over here. And one thing here very important is, when we have declared this variable text is equal to score text, this variable has to be made public. So for that reason, so we had declared this score text. What we shall do here is, let us come back here and let us make this public. So we are going to type public, then T capital text. Okay, type of variable is text. So because we have added UI, it will come in the list now. Public text, and what is the name of the variable? Score text. So this is the same name we are giving. Okay, so we have made this a public, that is so that it can be accessed from outside. So public text score text, and this score text we have used it here, and it is equal to score to string. Now next here, go to file and choose save all, save your script and come back to Unity. So when you come back to Unity, you can now select this game object, and here by selecting the game object here, so now this game manager script is attached to this game manager. So if I select the game manager over here, now in game manager script, Okay, we are not seeing it here. There is some error. So let us come to window and in general choose console. Okay, it is showing one error here. What is the error? We have not added colon. So double click on that error. It will bring us to this page here. Now coming to this core text line, add a colon at the end. So after we add the colon, go to file and again choose save all. Now come back to Unity and now you just check it will compile. Wait a few seconds till this compiles the script, and once it has compiled the script everything is fine. Now you close the console and here if you come here you can see a new script score text is added over here. Okay, you have a new variable score text here. Now what we have to do is we had created inside the canvas. If you open the canvas you have score text here and select this game manager and selecting this score text drag it and drop it over here. So this is linked to this score text. So now let us test it. Now come to the play button here. Click on this maximize on play button, keep it on and press the play button and the game starts. And now as you click on that you can see the score increasing. As we keep hitting, for every hit the score is changing. Okay, so we are now able to add the score as a display here in the game. So now you can stop the playback. So we have successfully made the score appear on the screen by using the UI text object score text here.